Oh.
Welcome back to another interesting video. Wait. I'm going to talk about this.
What is that?
Wait.
Ooh,
Scissor.
looks like a big banner you made it.
But this is the Xbox Experience Kit.
Okay.
And this is the rare volcano kit.
Uh-huh.
And this is the fire.
Hmm.
And this is the kit.
Okay.
And this is the big lava kit fire.
Ah, okay.
And this is the lava going down.
Okay.
And there's flowers. And there's the big luck.
Good. This is what you are doing for last 1 week?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even this.
What is that?
It's the house of the king.
Amazing.
Even it's the house of the king.
Really?
Yeah.
So many things in this house, man.
Yeah.
Who painted? Who painted?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
And what is the back side? Looks like a swimming pool? Garden?
Yeah.
Cool cars. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And a rich boy.
Okay.
But this is the volcano.
Oh, that's the experiment you are going to do today?
Yeah, do you see the volcano?
Yes.
But pretend it shoots out and touches the
Okay.
seas.
Mm-hmm.
And that's amazing.
But I like your banner, man.
Yeah, just look at it. Boom.
So actually, your banner is matching with our experiment today.
Boom.
That's cool. Okay, let's see what are the things we are going to do and explain about your project today.
Welcome back to another interesting experiment. We're going to do volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption, okay.
The ingredients we need a, what is it?
Steering rod, I know.
Steering rod?
We did 35 plus experiments so far. Measuring cup. Oh, you are testing me? That is measuring spoon. It could be baking soda. And red pigment color.
It's a hard one. You cannot.
And this is some plastic tube.
Wrong, it's a glass tube.
A glass tube, okay.
And that's it. And just
And you missed this citric acid.
And we did a volcano. And we need a volcano soften.
Oh, model, okay.
Yeah. And then we put this on top.
Okay.
So can I repeat?
Yeah, you can.
Oh yeah.
I'm eagerly waiting since day one. When are you going to do this?
Yeah, it's gonna take a long time.
Okay. I'm going to pause it until you prepare everything, okay? Go.
I put 100 ml water.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna put 5 drops of pigment.
Why you are putting pigment color?
So it can be like lava.
Oh, you pretend lava? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
And now we need a steering rod. Here is better.
Cool. What next?
And next is put the baking powder, I think.
How many spoons?
No. It's citric acid. 3 spoons. We're gonna put
Where are you going to put it?
on the water.
Volcano model? No, it's a volcano model, not put in the water. Water. Don't put it in volcano.
I think
Wait.
I need to put it here. 1,
Okay.
2, two.
Mm-hmm.
And here.
Okay.
And now I'm going to screw the lid. And now last we're going to put baking powder.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. It's a baking powder. But that could be. 1 drop.
3 spoons.
1, 2, 3. Are you ready for the excited part?
I think you should add some glitters too, right?
Yeah.
Looks like your volcano is ready for the experiment.
If I put it in the side and it rubs already and already rubbed together.
Okay, that's good idea, but let's wait. I think you have citric acid and basic baking soda and some glitters, right?
Yeah.
This tube really cool. It looks like a
Volcano faucet.
yeah, something like that. Okay, so before putting this color water inside this volcano,
You mean red blood water?
that color water, I'm going to read the scientific reason how that effect is going to be coming out, right? Just listen what I'm doing, okay? A volcanic eruption is when the earth interior is filled with hot magma
Oh!
and expanding bubbles. Under extreme pressure, the magma breaks through the crust from a weak point and guses out, causing a volcanic eruption. The baking soda in the experiment is alkaline and the citric acid is acidic, and the two react to produce large amount of gas and bubbles, giving off heat and producing the eruption. That's what is going to happen. So are you ready for the real volcanic eruption?
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna be.
You don't know what's going to be?
Yeah.
Should I close my, because you already safety, you put safety glass, but I don't have safety glass. It's going to be,
Are you ready?
wait a
Hand is wiggling.
Wiggly. Okay, I'm coming closer. Slowly you pour it. Pour it.
Oh! Oh!
Ooh.
I'm gonna get more water.
Here is the water. Enough. Enough. It's going to grandma home.
No. Don't go to grandma.
How was that cool experiment?
It was blowing my mind. Even it damaged my brain.
What? Damage your brain? Whatever.
That volcano just blow my brain.
I think we should put it like this, right? So you
And I told you.
are always correct. It's fine. So it's grandma is going to shout us.
Like, please like my work and please give me 1,000 subscribers.
1,000. Is it enough? 1,000 is enough for you? Okay. Fine. See you on the next interesting experiment. Kaboom!